I put a popsicle stick in there. And some caps to water bottles. I found that when I was drinking some water the other day, she has started attacking the bottle. So she doesn't like water bottles or water caps for some reason. What'd you get, Sofia? What is it? Is that a stick? Yeah, it's a stick. A popsicle stick, isn't it? Sofia likes when we change her cage around so that she has some high perches, and she always has her door open so she can go in and out as she wants. She does little flybys, we call them, where she flies around the apartment and then lands on the top of her cage. Right, Sofia. Right, Sofia. You're so pretty.